Hello, in this video we will discuss about range function. Range is an built-in function in Python. It is used when a user needs to perform an action for a specific number of times. Let us consider syntax. A range function works with start, stop and step points. Knowing the syntax, consider you have to cross a river from one end to another by taking 2-meter step at each time. The range function returns a sequence of number starting from 0, that's by default, and increment by 1, even that is default. Suppose if I want to print from 0 to 5, I'll just type for x in range 6 and print x. When I execute this, here we go. The output is from 0 to 5. The range function defaults to 0 at starting value. However, it is possible to specify the starting value by adding a parameter. Suppose if I just give a parameter 2 here, then execute this program. Here we go. It starts from 2, 3 and end at 5. The range function defaults to increment sequence by 1. However, it is possible to specify the increment value by adding a third parameter. Suppose you want to run function 2 to 30 with increment of 3. If I execute this program, see here we go, 2, 5, 8 with the increment of 3. Having said that, that's how a range function works. Keep the energy and passion. Thank you guys. Okay guys, this is all I have got here. For complete Python developer course from beginner to expert, check the link in the description below. Look into the course description and the content of the course. If you find the course add value to your career, then enroll for it. Remember, what you do today defines your future. Thank you.